Hi, welcome to my channel Creative IT Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today we'll learn how to bold, italic and underline text quickly. Short key number 1. Bold text with Ctrl+B. Ctrl+B is a formatting shortcut in Microsoft Word that stands for bold. When you select a portion of text and press Ctrl+B, it instantly makes the text bold. Short key number 2. Italic text with Ctrl+I. Ctrl+I is a valuable formatting shortcut in Microsoft Word, representing italic. When you select a portion of text and press Ctrl+I, it transforms the text into italics. Short key number 3. Underline text with Ctrl+U. Ctrl+U is a versatile formatting shortcut in Microsoft Word, denoting underline. When you select a portion of text and press Ctrl+U, it adds an underline to the selected text. Ctrl+U is a handy tool to enhance the visual impact of your text. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.